Discover the top 7 best road bikes that redefine speed, agility, and endurance. From lightweight frames to precision engineering, these bikes offer unparalleled performance on the open road. Explore our curated selection and find the perfect ride to elevate your cycling experience to new heights. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Specialized Tarmac SL7. The Specialized Tarmac SL7 represents the pinnacle of road cycling technology, blending unparalleled performance with cutting-edge design. Engineered to deliver lightning-fast speed and superior handling, the Tarmac SL7 is the ultimate choice for cyclists seeking to dominate every ride and race. Crafted from specialized top-of-the-line FACT10R carbon fiber, the Tarmac SL7 frame strikes the perfect balance between stiffness, responsiveness, and lightness, ensuring maximum power transfer with every pedal stroke. Its aerodynamic tube shapes minimize drag, enabling riders to slice through the air with minimal effort, while the rider-first engineered TEM design ensures consistent performance across all frame sizes. Equipped with Shimano Dura Ace D2 electronic shifting or SRAM Force ETAP AXS wireless group set options, the Tarmac SL7 delivers flawless gear changes and precision control, allowing riders to conquer the steepest climbs and fastest descents with confidence. With its race-ready Roval wheels and specialized S-Works finishing kit, including handlebars, stem, and saddle, the Tarmac SL7 offers uncompromising performance and comfort for riders who demand nothing but the best. Whether sprinting for the finish line or tackling epic mountain passes, the Specialized Tarmac SL7 is the ultimate expression of speed, agility, and pure cycling exhilaration. Number 6. Trek Madone SLR9. The Trek Madone SLR9 is a pinnacle of engineering, blending aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and cutting-edge technology to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. Designed for the most discerning cyclists, this road bike exemplifies performance and precision. Crafted from Trek's OCLV carbon, the Madone SLR9 frame is both incredibly lightweight and exceptionally strong, ensuring optimal power transfer and responsiveness. Its aerodynamic tube shapes and integrated components minimize drag, allowing you to slice through the air effortlessly and achieve maximum speed with every pedal stroke. Equipped with top-of-the-line components, the Madone SLR9 is ready to tackle any challenge on the road. Its Shimano Dura Ace D2 electronic group set provides lightning-fast, precise shifting, while Bontrager Aeolus XXX carbon wheels offer unmatched stability and efficiency. The bike's integrated disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power in all conditions, giving you confidence to push your limits. Whether you're competing in a race or embarking on an epic solo ride, the Trek Madone SLR9 promises uncompromising performance, unparalleled comfort, and an unforgettable ride every time. Number 5. Cannondale Super 6 EVO. The Cannondale Super 6 EVO is a pinnacle of cycling engineering, meticulously crafted to deliver unparalleled performance on the road. With its cutting-edge design and advanced technology, this bike stands out as a leader in the world of road racing. At the heart of the Super 6 EVO is its ultra-lightweight carbon frame, engineered using Cannondale's proprietary ballistic carbon construction. This results in a frame that is incredibly stiff, responsive, and efficient, providing maximum power transfer with every pedal stroke. Equipped with state-of-the-art components, including a Shimano Dura Ace group set, this bike delivers lightning-fast shifting and precise control in any riding situation. Its aerodynamic design reduces drag, allowing you to slice through the wind with ease, while the integrated disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power in all conditions. Whether you're sprinting for the finish line or conquering challenging climbs, the Cannondale Super 6 EVO offers the ultimate performance and agility, making it the preferred choice of elite cyclists and weekend warriors alike. Dominate the road and unleash your full potential with the Cannondale Super 6 EVO. Number 4. Pinewood Dogma F12. The Pinewood Dogma F12 is the epitome of high-performance road cycling excellence, meticulously crafted to elevate the riding experience to unparalleled heights. Engineered with cutting-edge technologies and premium materials, this elite racing machine embodies Pinarello's legacy of innovation and superiority on the road. At the heart of the Dogma F12 is its meticulously constructed carbon fiber frame, meticulously designed to strike the perfect balance between stiffness, aerodynamics, and responsiveness. Every curve and junction is optimized for maximum efficiency and speed, ensuring that every pedal stroke translates into effortless acceleration and precise handling. The Dogma F12 features a refined geometry that offers a perfect blend of agility and stability, allowing riders to confidently tackle any terrain with unmatched confidence and control. Whether sprinting for the finish line or climbing grueling mountain passes, this bike delivers uncompromising performance and responsiveness. With its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette, the Pinarello Dogma F12 is not only a marvel of engineering, but also a stunning work of art that commands attention on the road. Experience the pinnacle of road cycling perfection with the Pinarello Dogma F12 and elevate your riding to new heights. Number 3. Giant TCR Advanced Pro. The Giant TCR Advanced Pro is a high-performance road bike engineered for cyclists seeking the ultimate combination of speed, agility, and control. With its cutting-edge design and advanced materials, this bike delivers unparalleled performance on both climbs and descents. Constructed using Giant's advanced-grade composite frame, the TCR Advanced Pro strikes the perfect balance between stiffness and compliance, ensuring efficient power transfer while maintaining a smooth and comfortable ride. The overdrive steerer tube enhances front-end stiffness for precise handling, allowing riders to confidently navigate tight corners and technical descents. Equipped with Shimano Ultegra components, including a precise and reliable drivetrain and powerful hydraulic disc brakes, the TCR Advanced Pro offers responsive shifting and exceptional stopping power in all conditions. The compact road saddlebar handlebar and variant C-post further enhance aerodynamics and compliance, optimizing performance on long rides and challenging terrain. Whether you're racing against the clock or conquering mountain passes, the Giant TCR Advanced Pro is the ultimate choice for riders who demand uncompromising performance and precision on the road. Number 2. Bayan Ultry XR4. The Bayan Ultry XR4 is a pinnacle of Italian engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with elegant design to deliver a world-class road cycling experience. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this aerodynamic road bike is engineered to maximize speed and performance while maintaining supreme comfort for the rider. At the heart of the Ultry XR4 lies Bianchi's exclusive countervailer technology, which effectively cancels road vibrations to reduce muscle fatigue and enhance control over varying terrain. This innovative feature ensures a smooth and efficient ride, allowing cyclists to push their limits with confidence. Constructed from high-quality carbon fiber, the Ultry XR4 frame is incredibly lightweight yet exceptionally strong, providing optimal power transfer and responsiveness. Its aggressive geometry and advanced aerodynamics minimize drag, making it ideal for sprinting, climbing, and conquering the flats with unmatched efficiency. Equipped with top-of-the-line components from leading manufacturers such as Shimano, Cannondale, and SRAM, every aspect of the Bayan Ultry XR4 is meticulously designed to deliver uncompromising performance, making it the ultimate choice for competitive cyclists and enthusiasts alike. Experience the thrill of the ride like never before with the Bayan Ultry XR4. Number 1. Scott Addict RC. The Scott Addict RC is a high-performance road bike engineered for elite cyclists and racing enthusiasts seeking the ultimate blend of speed, agility, and responsiveness. Crafted with precision and finesse, this cutting-edge racing machine embodies Scott's commitment to pushing the boundaries of cycling innovation. At the heart of the Scott Addict RC lies its lightweight and aerodynamic frame, meticulously constructed from advanced carbon fiber materials to deliver unparalleled stiffness and power transfer while maintaining exceptional comfort over long rides. The frame's aggressive geometry ensures razor-sharp handling and maximum efficiency, enabling riders to conquer climbs with ease and sprint to victory on flat roads. Equipped with top-of-the-line components from leading manufacturers such as Shimano, SRAM, or Cannondale, Every detail of the Scott Addict RC is optimized for performance and reliability. From its precise shifting to its powerful braking and responsive handling, this bike offers uncompromising performance that inspires confidence and pushes riders to new heights of achievement. Whether you're competing in a grueling stage race or embarking on an epic solo adventure, the Scott Addict RC is the ultimate tool to elevate your cycling experience and dominate the road with style and precision. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best road bikes. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.